So how lucky are we in this day and age, in this digital era, to be able to go online now and actually make money? And digital marketing is changing the lives of a lot of ordinary people. If you go on and instead of just scrolling, you actually see them with these income claims and you're like, excuse me? But I actually know a lot of people who are doing really well, and they've been in digital marketing for a while, and it's not a get rich quick scheme or an overnight scheme. It's a legitimate business. And when you take digital marketing and you actually treat it as a proper business, you're going to reap the rewards. That's the beautiful thing about it. I've been selling physical goods online for 12 years, and I know when you start a business and you learn all the foundations, it actually takes time for a business to pick up and make sales. And that is the same with digital marketing. You are selling digital goods. You're selling ebooks and videos and music and anything that's downloadable. That is a digital products store, a digital products business, right? And that's what digital marketing is. And like any business, it takes time. But you also have to learn the fundamentals, and you have to know what they are and what you need to do to build a business. I took the roadmap course. There's a lot of different courses out there. You can also look up everything for free online, like on Google or YouTube. But what's going to happen is you're going to look around and you're going to waste a lot of time. So to be quick and to save time, and time is money, you can even take a mini course like the Pathways to Profits. I have that in my store. It's a 2.5-hour audio course, and that also teaches you all the basics of business and of digital marketing. So anyway, if you're thinking of making a little bit of extra money online and you want to do something exciting, something different, you're working 9 to 5, maybe you're exhausted, you're a burnt out mom or a burnt out, workaholic, you do a lot of shift work or a lot of work, just working day after day after day, and you just have the weekends off and you want more time off, or you want a little bit more income, just for whatever, for bills, to travel, you want to buy a car, or you want to save up for a holiday. Digital marketing might be for you. So check out my store, start with my free guide, and that is going to help you get started and try and decide what you'd like to do, what you'd like to sell, and in what niche, subject or topic you'd like to do it in. So put some thought behind that. My name is Susan. I'm in Alberta, Canada. Someone literally just went by and peered in my window. Okay. Anyway, check out my freebies and reach out to me with any questions you have about digital marketing, and I will talk to you soon. Cheers.